Hi, welcome to IHS's corporate office located in beautiful Richmond, Virginia. My name is Yawen, your Employee Experience Manager, and today I will be taking you on a tour of our office. So let's get started. First, we have our reception area where Courtney will be the first person to greet our visitors and guide them to wherever they need to go.
Over here, we have our brand new IGS experience, which is an interactive space that introduces clients and new employees to our history, our efficiency and reliability technologies, and our key achievements.
And right beside the IGS experience, we have our Technology Solutions Lab, where we innovate and develop materials and technology. We're ISO 9001 certified, so you know quality is built into everything we do. We're all about working together to get things done, and that's why we have many meeting rooms and open spaces for collaboration. Whether it's brainstorming or strategy sessions, we have the perfect spots to bring the teams together. Alright, let's take a quick break and grab some coffee in the kitchen. Think this is just a regular hallway? Look again. Every day, we transform this hallway into a fitness area where all skill levels are welcome and there is something for everyone. So if you have time, feel free to join in. Here at IGS, we have many moving parts. Now let's take a quick stroll through our different departments to see where all the magic happens. Here's the home base for our HR and safety teams, the teams that keep us running smoothly, from supporting our people to making sure we are safe on each and every job and also in the office. When our project managers aren't out in the field making things happen, you can find them here in their offices, either mapping out the next project or making sure the last one is a done deal. And right on over here, we have our project admin area. Right through these doors, we have our finance team. Here is where data turns into decisions, ensuring our finances run as smoothly as our operations. And right on over here, we have our IT department. The team expertly manages tech here, ensuring everything runs smoothly and without a hitch. And over here, we have our engineering department. Here is where our engineers work their magic, where creative thinking meets serious skills to overcome challenges and bring innovations and solutions to life. And over here we have our logistics team. The team ensures everything reaches its destination on time, whether it's across town or the globe. This is our shop and warehouse area. We have hubs all over the world where we store, maintain, and dispatch our equipment and materials. And this is our workshop and warehouse right here in Richmond. This expansive space allows us to respond quickly and efficiently to any job. It is also where we handle shop application projects and provide hands-on training to our new technicians. Virginia is a beautiful state, so we want our employees to be able to enjoy the outside. We have a couple of different outdoor seating areas, so here is our patio. And if we walk up this trail, there is a cozy spot in the woods where we can have lunch or just hang out. And we also have a nature trail for when you need to get out of the office for a minute and get some fresh air. Thank you for joining me on a tour of the Richmond office. We hope to see you here soon. Bye!